Welcome to the world of car enthusiasts. Whether you're a new driver, a drag racer, or just starting to take an interest in cars, there's something for everyone in the car community. Well, first of all, it's important to learn about cars. Get to know the different types of cars, their parts, and how they work. Some car enthusiasts will mostly talk about the following: wheels, engine, and also cosmetics such as wraps, wings, spoilers, and other things. These things will give you a better understanding of the modifications and upgrades that car enthusiasts love to talk about. Next, attend car shows and events. This is a great way to meet other car enthusiasts, see different types of builds, ideas for your own build, types of cars, learn the greatest trends, and of course, make friends within the community. If you're interested in modifying or customizing your own car, start with the basics. Learn how to change your oil, replace your brakes, and other maintenance tasks. Here's a little list I made that you can start off with: oil, coolant, and tire pressure. These will give you the knowledge and confidence to tackle bigger projects. Finally, don't be afraid to join a car club or a community like on a Facebook group or on an Insta page. This is a great way to connect with other enthusiasts. Also, go on drives, work on installing parts, and eventually you'll learn more about cars as you go on.
I'll be great, but these racks stacked up too tall.
Things to keep in mind: don't modify your car for other people. At the end of the day, it's your car, and if you want to go for that racer look, then go for it. If you want to add a supercharger twin turbo V7 on your BRZ, then by all means go for it. If you sticked around for this long, thank you. And if you want to see more of my Mustang or cruises and car meets that I'll be posting in the summer, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and share this with anyone that's taking an interest in cars or looking for a foot in the door when it comes to cars. This is Steven. Peace.